First property of logarithms we're going to look at today is called the power property. This property says if you have a logarithm of some base of something to a power, that is equal to that power multiplied by the logarithm of that base of what was inside that original logarithm. So log base b of m to the n power is equal to n times log base b of m. I can show that with an example real quick. So let's say I have log of 3 squared. I'm not going to write a base for this. That's the common logarithm of base 10. I'm going to use that just because I'm going to try to use my calculator here in a moment to show you that this is true as I convert both of these things to their decimal equivalents. So I'll just go ahead and put something that I can enter into the calculator and not have to use change of base formula for some calculators. So this, according to this rule, that log base 10, or the common logarithm, of 3 squared should be equal to 2 times the log with the same base, including, in this case, that's 10. I don't need to write that, of 3. So basically, to sum it up, it just says that this power can move down in front of the logarithm and become connected to it by multiplication. Now we'll go to the calculator and verify that this is, in fact, true as I compute the decimal equivalent of this and show you that this is equal to the same thing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show you using the calculator that those things are equivalent. So the first thing I'm going to do is just type in log of 3 squared like that and show you the decimal equivalent of that. And we're getting about 0.95 and some change for that. So according to this property, I'm allowed to take that exponent of 2 and bring it down front and connect that by multiplication so that this can become 2 times the logarithm of 3. And you can see that that is in fact equal to the same thing. And as a matter of fact, you don't have to type the multiplication. You don't have to type the times in the calculator right there. You can just type 2 log 3 and it will assume that you're joining that with multiplication. So you can see that all of those are equivalent expressions.